I have a Ring camera out back here that for some reason it's not working. It's dark out now. The light of the camera happens to be on, and that's what you're seeing now. But you can see the infrared lights will come on, but this is on motion. Both lights should be going on and it's not. So every once in a while it'll flash. So I'm not sure what's going on with this thing. So I'm gonna have to take it off the wall, check the connection. Maybe it's a loose ground. See there, I just got a quick burst, and that's all it'll do. When I first hung it, it seemed to work okay. But you can also see on the bottom, this indicates that it might have a bad connection going on right now. So I need to go online and see if it's working. I had it turned off. There it goes, flashing again. Now I have this other light on, and that's not causing any issues with it because I tried it with that light off as well. But for some reason, it's just not working right. So in the daylight, when I have time, I'm gonna pull it apart and take a look and see what's going on. And I'm also gonna check what it means when it flashes like that on the bottom. Usually it's some kind of internet connection issue. So I checked the internet setting, and it was trying to reconnect since I had it off. So it's back on now, back online. But as you can see, it's sensing me. But the light's just not coming on. And when it does come on, it just flashes bright. It's doing the same thing. See if I can get it to flash again. Oh, it looks like the signal's lost again. So I'm not sure what's going on with this thing. I'll pull it down and check her out. I pulled the light off here and checked my connections. And when I pulled it off, I was surprised to find out I didn't have any power here, where during the night I had some kind of power. And to me, it almost was like a loose ground. It just was leaking voltage somewhere. So I was really baffled by that. So what I did next was I went inside and I checked the switch. So let me show you what I have in there. This is the wall switch that operates the light outside. I have one of these on here. It's a cover, so I don't turn it off because I want to leave it on all the time. Well, I should have known I should have started in here. As soon as I pulled this cover off, I found out that this is a dimmer switch. So with turning it on and off, somehow the dimmer switch worked its way all the way down. So this was a really simple diagnosis. If I would have started here first, but I didn't know, so that's why I started with the light. But let me put it all back together and see if we got connection now. Well, that's all it took to fix. So my lights are back on. It connected to the internet right away. I really feel stupid about this. This is something that I should have known. While I did not install the dimmer switch, I did put the cap on it. So you think I would have remembered that, but as I get older, I don't remember things like I used to. The good thing is it saved me from calling somebody or buying a new light, which could be a couple $100. These Ring lights, they're not cheap, but it's working great now. And it was just a quick, simple, easy fix. Diagnostics problem was easy. I was able to get to it very simple, just a little step ladder, which made life really, really easy for me. So let me show you again inside. This is what the cap looks like. This side, you don't have access. But if you get on this side, there is access there where you can turn the switch on and off if you need to, and the dimmer now, but we won't be needing the dimmer. So that's all there is to this fix. I'm very pleased that I didn't have to spend more money to buy a new light, although it would have saved me some time if I would have remembered that there was a dimmer switch on there. But thanks again. I appreciate you watching. If you like more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I'll do some more.